This is our PIR motion sensing head. It has a concealed design for a flush fit. You have the sensor unit itself, and then this is the sensor head. This has a 1 meter cable on it to allow for flexible placement and an easy snap fit installation into the sensor unit. Once this is in the unit, you then have your power supply and the LED strip that you want to illuminate. Once you have power through to the circuit, the LED strip will light up. This shows that the power is correctly running through. You can then see, once I wave my hand in front of the sensor, the strip lights up. This lights up with movement and will turn off after 30 seconds of no activity. This has a 3 to 4 meter detection range and has a 120-degree wide angle. It is low voltage powered and has easy installation with the bilateral snap fit on the sensor head. This is ideal for stairs, garages, closets, cabinets and so many more places in your home. The 1 meter cable allows for flexible placement, and the sensor head works by sensing changes in infrared radiation.